Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are at NVM Motorsports. As you know, whenever we're here, something big's going off. Now, I won't go into too much detail, but the car will be getting a tasteful mod, and we're gonna go meet Mabs in a second. You know, thought I'd treat it. It's been what, 2 years of ownership with this car, so it's time to treat it to something nice. So I won't spoil the surprise, but let's go check it out. Let's go ring this doorbell, find out where Mabs is, see what he's up to. There's the double bell.
Malak Malik.
Oh, do you know what? Go on,
Scissors.
Go on then.
Yeah. What's this? You vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
Malak Malik, yeah. In the house.
Mabs.
This is the NVM guy. Everyone
Yeah,
calls you the NVM guy.
the NVM guy.
I'm not actually NVM guy, you know. You
I
are.
am NVM guy.
Everyone calls you the NVM guy. So your car's in the workshop at the minute. Oh.
Camera's a bit down.
Equipment.
Yes.
What are you doing?
You tell me, what are we doing today?
We are fitting an exhaust system because your stock exhaust system has too much tutor protrusion.
Would you like to explain what that is? Because
That's where your tutor is protruding too much. Basically, your exhaust system on your car is all bent because everywhere you drift it, you keep clipping cars. Right? Hear that? Hurdy-gurdy.
He's
Those
too
who know.
busy.
Hurdy-gurdy.
He's too busy.
Greg, I'll call you back.
Give me. Oh, he's calling
Your
me back.
car's in for a full Scorpion exhaust system.
Yeah.
People beg to differ as to whether exhaust systems make a difference on the 58. I think it makes a huge difference.
You reckon?
Sound and top end
I've
performance.
heard yours, and I just heard another,
Yeah.
and they sound very good.
Whose did you hear? Your rival.
My rival.
Rival sleeper runs cars outside.
Yeah.
No longer a sleeper because like
It
it's got
sounds
exhaust.
very loud and it sounds nice. So
Yeah, let's go check
I'm
it.
very excited. Let's go.
Yeah, your stock exhaust system's off.
Yep.
And yeah, you got aftermarket tips. It looks like an M Performance one, but
Yep.
it isn't. And it's got a cut joint where the M Performance one would have been.
Yep.
But what makes it even worse is Stevie Wonder must have welded these exhaust systems, didn't it?
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder, look at this. He's welded half the exhaust system to do a res delete, yeah?
Yeah.
And he's forgotten to weld the top, so basically he's
my
welded
days,
it on the
I've
car.
just noticed that.
So you've been
driving
driving with carbon monoxide in your cabin,
in my
mate,
cabin. No
as
wonder
it's
I was
going up.
suffocating every time I was driving it.
And every time you were boosting it and chucking flames, you were getting flames up into your car.
Oh my god, yeah.
Anyway, so the stock exhaust system is 18 mil,
Yep.
but it's pancakes specifically in the areas that are most kind of restrictive. So
Yep.
here, so even though it's 80 mil in bore, they squash it so that
Yep.
it clears the underside for regulations, and that's what causes flow restrictions.
Yep.
When you get up to kind of 500 plus.
Yeah.
The exhaust system makes a massive difference. So those guys on the internet, oh, you don't need to change the exhaust on a B58. Just a downpipe and a fucking email. Exhaust system makes a massive difference.
Yep.
Tones, kind of throttle response, and also back pressure. So reducing the back pressure allows for more torque, more peak power, and that's what you want.
Yep.
Although, when you're at this kind of power level, you might not see the difference as such. Unless you stuck it back to back on the dyno.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely, if you go for more power,
Which we are.
uniform.
Which
bends.
we are. We got big plans for this, innit?
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, man. We
But
should
yeah,
load it.
that's the exhaust system in bits. That is the tips you went for. Polished Daytonas. I think these are the best tips available, man. Perfectly
look fire.
suit, and it will.
Oh, show me the Scorpion on it. Sorry to interrupt you.
We're gonna clean it up.
We're gonna clean it up. That looks nice.
But yeah, that is,
I like it.
Should sit flush with the diffuser because is that diffuser aftermarket?
Nah, stock.
Stock.
Yeah, stock
So how come
diffuser.
it sticks out so much?
If I told you that.
Yeah, I know why it sticks out so much. Okay. But yeah, you've got some adjustability, but don't forget this is modeled for a stock exhaust system, stock body, right?
Yeah.
So if you've made some modifications to the rear end at some point in your life,
I didn't make them, I'm just saying.
it might not sit as flush, but yeah, it's gonna sound mint, mate.
Can't wait, man. Big shout out to Mabs. Let's get it.
That's how a B58 is supposed to sound, isn't it?
Yo, scorpion exhaust.
And your tutor protrusion
is bang on.
is bang on, man. Flush.
Yo, that sounds naughty. Babs, you sick guy. So guys, while we're in the car, I've got the windows down here. This is the previous exhaust system. So what I had on before. Thought I'd do like, you know, a little difference. So yeah, let's just, honestly, I love how aggressive this car is, man. Honestly, the bangs are just different. By the way, it might say M240i on there, but that was a little mistake made by Yusuf. I was hoping not to bait out. But yeah, so here we go. This is second gear. So this car's gonna shout me every single time. Yeah, so this is the old system. Oh, do you not know about the B58 from? So, how have I done this already? Oh my god! That was mad. That was actually so crazy. That was way louder than what it used to be like. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh my god. And I don't know why it took me so long to finally go and bloody do it. I usually do this stuff as soon as I get exhaust work or mapping work done straight away. But holy crap, that was absolutely crazy. I did not expect it to be like that. I'm going again. Catch you guys in a bit. That is crazy. That sounds so savage, man. But guys, I hope you liked. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.